So right now I would like to explain our material from the qualitative research. So our material today about the participant observation in the field. So the field work actually involves three main set of activities. So the first one they relate to social interaction, making people feel comfortable and gaining their acceptance. And the second one actually relates to the way of obtaining data in the field. And also the last is accepting the recording data in the form of written notes and also then field notes. One actually there is entering the field. So when entering the field, the research field, so participant observers hope to form an open relationship with informants and strive to be in a spacious part of the observed situation. And also they treat themselves with care to be an insidious part of the observed scene. So the informants forget the observer is actually there to conduct research during the initial period in the field. And also data collection is actually not the main priority, but rather understand the environment and the people in it. And it's also recommended to limit the time in the field during each observation so that not too much information is received, but also not too little. There is negotiating role. So actually one of the main problem people may face is being forced into a role that is actually incomfortable. So with conducting research, although explanation are sometimes given to them, people often do not understand participant observation. And the second problem faced by field researcher is actually being told what and when to observe. And informants tend to present the best side of themselves to outsider and try to hide or at least diffuse the less favorable aspect of their lives. And this is actually can lead to a selective view of the observer setting.
Okay, next is establishing report. Establishing report with informant is the primary goal of any field researcher. Report is not easy to define and includes several things. Conveying empathetic feelings to informants and ensuring that they accept those feelings as genuine. Breaking informants' defense against outsider. Helping informants to open up about their feelings toward situation and other people. Being perceived as a good person by informants. And sharing in the symbolic word, language and viewpoints of informants. For example, a person and modest assessment of what can be achieved with a particular person. Okay, next is participation. Participation in field research is an action that needs to be carefully considered by the researcher. While being actively involved in informant activities may be important to accept, the researcher must know where the line is. The role of a participant observer walks a fine line between being an active participation as observer, and a passive observer as a participant. There are times where it is better not to be accepted as an actual member of a setting or group. Researchers should also avoid action and talk that do not match their own personality. They should try to remain authentic in their interaction with informants. Next is key informants. In field research, researchers attempt to build close and open relationships with all informants. However, rapport and trust develop slowly. In this endeavor, researchers often seek out one or two respect and knowledgeable people in the early stage of the research who are referred to as key informants. Key informants are usually the researcher's sponsor in the field and the main source of information. They assist the researcher in understanding the setting in depth and provide insight into things that happen when the researcher is away. Researchers should be wary of the risk of relying too much on one informant or a small group of informants, as this may hinder a comprehensive understanding of the setting.
Difficult field relationship. Field research is often characterized by elements of human drama found in social life, such as conflict, hostility, competition, temptation, racial tension, and jealousy. Researchers often find themselves in the midst of difficult and sensitive situations in the fight. Factors such as age, gender, race, and other personal identity features can have a strong influence on how informants respond to research. Unfriendly informants can be just as troublesome as overly attention informants. Research should treat all informants kindly without forcing them to interact. Sometimes difficult relationships can change over time if given the right opportunity. Forming relationship. In qualitative research, researchers are often emotionally involved with research subject and vice versa. Unlike research using other methods such as survey or experimental design, qualitative research often develops strong feeling for research subject and vice versa, although it is expected that researchers maintain professionalism and a reasonable distance. Sometimes the formation of friendship and relationship with research subject cannot be avoided. As humans, researchers have a tendency to like some people and dislike others. In some cases, the formation of friendship or personal relationship with research subject can provide additional benefits for research others, such as gaining deeper information or helping research subject. Thank you.